Hello everyone! While some boats sail smoothly, others fail miserably. Add confronting the forces of nature, and you open yourself up to mast catastrophes, just like the boaters making waves in this video. Passengers of this Chinese Coast Guard vessel harassing its Filipino counterpart learned that even at sea, there's a Great Wall. A group of Navy men did a ton of push-ups that day. Why is sailing hard? Well, because while you can control your ship, you can't control the wind and the other people sailing. Channel markers are supposed to guide boats, not leave actual marks, and yet, here we are. This vessel was being towed back into the sea just to prove that it wasn't ready for it. Even for the experienced, safe passage can be a tall order. Sailing is a good reminder of just how fickle nature can be. 1 minute it has your back, the next, it's against you. If you like your boat enough to call it radiant, well, at least have it steered by someone bright. Thai longtails are made to be versatile because of Thailand's mixed waters, but even they have their limits.
You good? Yeah. Turbo blew up. Everyone okay?
There are boaters, and then there are people who simply own boats. The go-between bridge in Australia was named after a band, not an open invitation for houseboats. See, this is exactly why naval exercises happen. So scenarios like this don't go down when it matters most. The good news? They'll remember this day even without the group photos. A dumb captain doesn't always have to go down with his ship.
Jump! Jump! Hurry up! We're putting our lives in danger! Get off now! Come on, let's go! Let's go! Let's go! You want to go down with the ship? Let's go! Back up, Justin. Back up. I'm not dying for you, dude. We're coming to help you. Come on, let's go! Shut up! Get away! All right, fine. I understand. Stay with it. Stay with it. Stay with it. Stay with it. Go! You can die with your boat, bro. Hey! Look at this. Get off the boat, Cap! He's off the boat. So, fast. Look at the mast go.
It's kinda hard to tell if this was an accident or an expensive way to make a cool entrance.
Oh my God!
They say face your problems head on, unless it's the sea. Barges are so difficult to maneuver because they're slow even in stopping and changing directions. Sailing looks pretty chill from afar. Up close, it'll have you breaking a sweat.
Up! Here, Steve! I'm gonna hit that boat if I do. Go down, Jimmy!
There are times when it's wise to go against the current. This isn't one of them. That boat was an unstoppable force, until it met an actual immovable object. Some people have the boats, but not the IQ needed to care for one.
Put the hook on it! No, just peel out! Oh my God!
It was the Jeep that was supposed to take that boat to the water, not the other way around.
Whoa, wifey's jumping into action. This Jeep's sliding back down the ramp. They were trying to pull out and things went wrong fast.
Well, at least now it'll fit if the captain ever goes back to try that again. For the record, this was at the Lake of the Ozarks, a reservoir known for ghost stories and an underwater cemetery.
There's no driver out. Oh my God, it's gonna. Oh my God, oh my God. Where's the guy at? Where's the man? Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God.
Even after all of that, the crew is still lucky this happened near the shore. Clear waters and sunny skies don't automatically make a beach safe for boating. Just take a look at this rocky coast of Acapulco. Sure, tourists want to go to the blue waters of the Bahamas, but not like this.
Everybody's freaking out.
Literally sinking. I'm on the top floor of a ferry.
Santorini and Mykonos, two tourist-friendly islands separated by not-so-friendly waters. Big wheels kept on turning to stop this proud Mary from crashing and burning.
My God. No way.
There is always a bigger fish. To keep your boat in tip-top shape, you need equipment in a similar state. Pro tip: putting wheels on a boat does not make it amphibious. Pro tip number 2: for every ride, make sure to check height restrictions. The fenders have left the chat. Haven't we had enough sequels to the Pirates of the Caribbean franchise? That's one way to launch a boat. For its final voyage, I mean.
I fell off that truck where that lady's walking over. All the way.
Because the skipper manning this ship got rocked to sleep, he's about to get rocked awake.
Oh my God. Yo! Wait, that can hit. Mother sick.
We can take comfort in the fact that these incidents often happen among people who can afford them. Bridges have a long history of allowing cars to cross, but don't expect the same treatment with vessels. With pricey boats subjected to nature's whims, you could say sailing is one of the more expensive sports. Hit that like button. It sure is better than hitting a massive pillar. This is what happens when you order your brand new $1 million luxury yacht on Temu. Big plans can be foiled by small things, like an unseen hole at the bottom. The hydro version of jousting.
Allahu Akbar! Allahu Akbar! Hey, wah, hey, wah.
What happens when you invite a ton of guests for a poker party at your top-heavy boat? Well, you get a house of cards.
Oh, pontoon.
Sometimes the law of tonnage outweighs the rules of passage.
Body weight, my body weight. My body weight.
Given how banged up it looked before reaching the dock, it was only a matter of time before it bit the dust. Orcas aren't usually aggressive towards humans, but their curiosity can be costly. Perhaps this cement barge can donate some of its cargo to fix all this mess. The Euphrates River makes trade faster, if you can actually cross it. In the ocean, you need to respect physics, or it'll snap at you. When you're grounded and your siblings are trying to help you escape. POV, you're an NPC in a game currently in the hands of a noob.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Oh my god, dude.
That owner better take out the swordfish logo after this nose job. The Boynton Inlet is where some sailors go to get their blood pumping and their wallets bleeding. The worst attempt at crossing the finish line that you'll ever see. This is what happens when you pay for a boat, but not the skills to steer it. I'm just waiting for someone to scream, "You can't park there!" He must be so afraid of running out of fuel that he didn't just want a full tank, he wanted a full deck.
231 liters. This was the petrol.
It's funny how this speedboat did more damage to aircraft carriers than missiles and harsh weather, which is kind of what they're built for. the bowsprit helps a yacht pick up speed. And sometimes trouble, since it's often the first part to hit something. Ships are supposed to catch fish, not swim with them. Ironically, many adventures on water end because of fire. The glass of vodka in his hand is clue enough.
No, Carlos, saca. Tengo yo. Lo tienes tú. Dame. Puta, tío. No, los macarrones tirarlos y
Oh my god!
Now, in my humble opinion, that is not how you tow vessels.
The engines are basically broken. Oh my god.
I think it's time to reacquaint with our good friends the paddle. Imagine your boat broke down and someone offered to help finish the job. Have you ever wondered what it's like to see a movie monster breaking free of its chains? Well, try your luck at a pier on a windy day. Let's just say they were surfing and not sailing. When you trade speed for stability. The duality of man. One fights to the bitter end, while the others just wait for the inevitable. I don't think this is what fishermen hope for when they come for a big catch. You know that term, to barge in? Well, it is scenes like this that inspired it. China's Xinhui district is known for its reliance on fishing, so they're no strangers to maritime incidents. Forget planes or motorcycles, boat banking is the new norm.
Starts going down, it's completely on the side, and propellers out of the water. We are incoming. We're probably sailing to rock or something like this. We don't do nothing now.
Well, don't be surprised. That's literally wind sailing. If you're looking to test the waters, remember that you should also be ready to put out fires. Pisa's got their leaning tower. Santarém, Brazil has this. Now, I don't know what's more astounding, the fact that no one was hurt, or that the mast only slightly bent.
Oh.
I mean, they were trying to dock, so I guess the task failed successfully. This is not how docking should go. I think we've got another clip for that Jet 2 Holidays meme. That's 200 pounds off for a family of 4. Coral reefs protect coastal communities by being natural barriers to waves and people who don't navigate properly. Ah yes, the telltale signs that it's a rental. All those eyes and not a single one of them saw it coming? Some simply aren't built to handle boats, and it's a good thing they figure that out while still on land. Those waters look vast and empty. Can't blame the boat for wanting some company. Looks like someone's about to get fired. Good intentions are great, but they're better if they come with common sense. Are we still on the same boat? Good, because we've charted another course for you. Make sure to subscribe and click on the other videos on screen. You can also hop ship on over to Reasoning Behind for some more fun. Thanks for watching, we'll see you next time.